Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need admin access and a quick save of any open files. Once done, open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus S or by right-clicking the taskbar. In Task Manager, click More Details if it looks minimal so you can see the Startup tab. This is the first control point. It lists programs that launch at login, their publisher, and startup impact. You will disable items here first because it's immediate and reversible, and it often fixes slow sign-ins without deeper changes. Once in the Startup tab, sort by startup impact to find the heaviest offenders. High-impact apps are where you start. Click an entry and choose Disable to prevent it launching next time. Note this does not uninstall the program. If you see an unfamiliar name, right-click and open file location to verify publisher or search the exact file name online before disabling. Make sure to leave essential drivers, antivirus, and cloud sync apps enabled unless you have a replacement plan. After disabling items, restart Windows to confirm the sign-in is faster and no needed service failed. If a disabled app is still starting, open Settings App Startup and toggle there or check Services. MSC for System Services. If something breaks, go back to Task Manager and re-enable the last changed item, or use System Restore to revert to a prior point. If persistent startup items return, scan for malware and check scheduled tasks. Addressing root causes prevents repeats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.